Data analysis tools for school management help educators and administrators make informed decisions, improve student outcomes, and optimize school operations. Here are some commonly used data analysis tools in the education sector. Microsoft Excel. Excel is a versatile tool for data analysis and visualization. It can handle data manipulation, sorting, filtering, and basic statistical analysis. Google Sheets. Google Sheets is a cloud-based spreadsheet tool that allows collaboration and real-time data analysis. It offers similar functionalities to Excel. SAS, Statistical Analysis System. SAS is a comprehensive software suite used for advanced statistical analysis, predictive modeling, and data mining. It is suitable for in-depth data analysis in the education sector. QlikView and QlikSense. QlikView and QlikSense are data discovery and visualization tools that enable interactive analysis and dashboard creation. They are used for exploring and visualizing data from various sources. Tableau. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool that can help create interactive and insightful dashboards based on school data. It can handle large datasets and provide meaningful visualizations. SPSS, Statistical Package for the Social Sciences. SPSS is a widely used statistical analysis software for analyzing data and generating statistical models. It is commonly used in educational research and data analysis. Power BI, Microsoft. Power BI is a business analytics tool that allows users to visualize and share insights from their data. It can integrate with various data sources and create interactive dashboards. Python and Pandas. Python is a versatile programming language commonly used for data analysis. Pandas is a powerful library in Python for data manipulation and analysis, making it useful for school data analysis. Google Data Studio. Google Data Studio is a free tool that allows the creation of interactive dashboards and reports using various data sources. It's easy to use and integrate with Google Sheets and other data platforms. EdTech-specific platforms. Many education technology platforms, such as learning management systems, student information systems, and educational data warehouses, offer built-in analytics and reporting features tailored to school management. The selection of a specific tool depends on the school's needs, budget, and technical expertise. It's important to select a tool that aligns with the available facilities for efficient data analysis, which ultimately has an impact on decision-making. I hope this information is useful while selecting the most appropriate tool for your institution. If you have further queries, ask the Academist. Thank you.